the question I got asked a little while ago is, how do I look in a single column of data in a Google Sheet and see if there are duplicate entries? And I'm going to show you how to do this in a single column, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos for you. So I have a bunch of names here. I think I have 100. I have 100 names in this column, and random first names. Now I know for a fact that some of these random names are repeated in here, but I'm not sure which ones they are. So I want to find out in a single column, how do I uncover duplicate names or duplicate values? And this is how you do it. First of all, you sort this column in alphabetical or ascending order. So I'm click right here on the little triangle, and right here is sort A to Z. Now what I want to do is I want to write a formula, and what I want to do is I want to compare the first piece of data I want to look at to the data directly above it. So I'm going to write a formula and say equals this A2 equals, and I want to say and compare it to A1. Does A2, is it the same or equal to A1? And by the way, you see when I'm creating the formula, in this example, it says the answer is false. But look what happens when I hit enter. Hit enter and it says, hey, autofill all the way down. Absolutely. Hit the check mark. And now what you can see is in each one of these, I'm comparing the cell to the left to the cell directly above it. Now I've written my comparison. And by the way, if you go down through here, you can see there's some trues right there. But let's make this even easier to do this comparison and highlight the cells that are different, or excuse me, highlight the cells that are the same. I'm going to copy this entire column. I'm going to hit Command C or Control C or Edit Copy. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and paste special values only, or I'll do Edit, paste special values only. And I converted that entire column, instead of formulas, it is all the way down through. It's either the word false, as you see right there, or it's the word true. Now I can sort this column just by, and all this data here, by hitting this little down arrow on B, and I can say sort Z to A, and look, all my trues are up top. So all of the names that are the same as other cells in here are here. They are up top. So I know that these are all duplicates. Now I've done my comparison. I found all my duplicates. Now I can make a decision as to what I want to do with that. And I don't know what you want to do with it, but I do know this is how you find the duplicates in a single column. Now I can go back one step further. Hang on a second. I'm going to leave the formulas there. And what I can do, if I want to, I could come down, just scroll down through here and keep my data together. And look, there's a Gavin and there's two other Gavins. I can go down further and there's a Jordan and, there's a Jordan with the E and there's another Jordan with the E. But the easiest way to do it, like I said earlier, is to convert this all to values instead of formulas. Because if I sort this now, it'll trash the formulas. But once you discover your duplicates using this formula, this comparative formula, then you can do whatever it is that you want to do with it. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.